Good afternoon and welcome to Lunch with the Editor. Today we have a very sad topic to discuss primarily. Gandhi dies every moment when a person is lynched on Indian streets in the name of the cow or in the name of a religion. And this has been repeatedly happening across the country, or rather across North India, over several months. It probably started with the brutal murder of Akhlaq Mohammed in Noida, near Delhi, in a village called Dadri. He was accused of having some beef in his fridge, in his kitchen. Nobody knows. Even now, nobody knows for sure whether it was beef or mutton. His family has always been saying that it was mutton that they had stored for their own use, to cook and eat. Most of us, I am a non-vegetarian, most of us have meat in our fridges. Probably all non-vegetarians at one point in time or the other would be storing meat in our fridges, in our kitchens. Is it of any significance for anyone else what kind of meat we are consuming? There is no slaughter happening. Cow slaughter is banned by law. And it is not as if cows are being slaughtered on the streets. People are being slaughtered on the streets. And it is terrible. And as I said earlier, every day when it happens, Gandhi is being killed over and over again. And it is one of the saddest things that we have been discussing all this while. So, Pranay, today I think there is a big protest happening at Jantar Mantar.
That is evolving because we know of the big protest here in Jantar Mantar, and as we have heard so far, that at least in 8 centers, 8 places all over the country, people are going to hold similar kind of protests, and this is an evolving situation. So by the end of the day, you may have many more, not only 8, maybe many more people would be doing this similar kind of thing. We already know about Delhi, Trivandrum, Lucknow, Kolkata, Bhopal, Nagpur, Bangalore, Mumbai, etc. These are some of the cities where these kind of protests are being held. But it always has this copycat kind of a syndrome, and many more people join in that we have a say today, let us all come out and protest about what's happening. As you said, the tone, saying it absolutely clearly, this is not what we want our country to be remembered. Because whenever we have been talking, and many times because when you engage especially with outsiders, this has been a country which is like an island. All around you, you've been surrounded by others, where these problems have been there for the last 70 years since the partition of the subcontinent.